Hi guys, I'm from Italy. That's my Italian channel. Is one of my first video translated in English, so sorry for my pronunciation. Today I would like to present DajLien, at least I hope that is the right pronunciation, that new IKEA air purifier. It's brand new, there are not so much content online, so I decided to put my content. So nothing, let's go with the unboxing. And we will see the characteristics, the prices. At least in Italy, it's sold for 30 euros. It's small, it's like a bag. There are two color, that green, weak green, and also white, as you like more. And nothing, the device is so simple because um, it's given with a handy to pick up. There is a power supply. The power supply is a bit strange because, in my opinion, should not be put the head of the power supply in the final part of the plug because can be can put you on struggle to connect to the power plug. But okay, probably if IKEA have decided to has decided to take that decision, probably there are good reasons. Apart of that, let's see how the device is works. Nothing. We have a plug. It need to be connected. The maximum power consumption is up to 8 watt per hour, so it's almost zero. It can stay connected all day without changing nothing on your electricity bill. And if I say that from Italy, in all the other countries in the world for sure is better because here the cost of energy is so high. Um, what else? Let's try to open. There is that door in the front. Also, the door is a filter, but the real filter is inside. You can also buy a new filter later if required. Um, the filter costs something close to 10 or 15 euros. Now I don't remember. It should have a duration of 6 months, but every 4 weeks is suggested to also clean the frontal door. And instead for the filter cannot be cleaned, you have to totally change. So now let's see what happened. Let's go open the filter. Um, Nothing. You see that is the device. There is a fan that absorbs the air. You put the filter, but nothing. Before putting the filter, I'm gonna show there is a button that needs to be pushed. Let's wait a moment. Okay, the filter that is the right orientation with the lid in the top. Test the button because there is also a LED in the top that describe that LED that describe when the filter should be changed, replaced. I don't know if it works only as a timer or if it has a capability to detect that the filter need to be replaced. Anyway, the button need to be pushed, so nothing. You connect the power supply, you keep the button down for 3 seconds, the light blinks, so that means that now you can install the filter as I'm doing now, and nothing. You close the door, it's so easy to use. The fan has 3 speeds. The slowest, is very quiet. It's almost impossible to hear that it's working, and I think it's perfect for the night. There are two other speed, medium and speedest, the fastest. I forgot to say something important. The device is small, so it's supposed to be used in environment up to 12 square meters. So normally a normal size room, at least for houses in Italy, for sure they are bigger, and also IKEA has other bigger air purifier. That one is new. It's so small. So nothing. Um, I hope that video is helpful for you. And also, I'm curious to know if the same device is sold also in other countries in the world. and for what price. So thanks for your time and have a good day.